Okay, we're now looking at trapezoids, and remember the definition of trapezoid is that it's a quadrilateral with one pair of opposite sides parallel, and so we want to prove that this is a trapezoid by proving that two of the opposite sides are parallel, the other two are not. So we're going to look at RS first of all. We'll find the slope of RS. If we do that, we have 4 minus 3 over 2 minus 0. That gives me a slope of 1 over 2. And then we're going to look at the slope of OT. So for OT, we've got 2 minus 0 over 4 minus 0. That gives me a slope of 2 over 4, which is also 1/2. So now we know that RS is parallel to OT. Okay? That's not enough because it may be a parallelogram, so we want to look at OR and ST as well. So the slope for OR, hopefully you can just see it because it's a vertical line. It's undefined, but in case you're not seeing it, we would have 3 minus 0 over 0 minus 0. And that gives me 3 over 0, which is undefined. And for ST, we can see that we have 4 minus 2 over 2 minus 4. This gives us 2 over negative 2, which is a negative 1. So we can say that OR is not parallel to ST. So this is a parallelogram now by the definition of a trapezoid. We have one set of parallel sides. Again, we want to compare the slopes of opposite sides. Slope of RS is 1/2. Slope of OT is also 1/2. So those lines are parallel. ST is negative 1. OR is undefined. So therefore the slopes of ST and OR are not the same and they're not parallel. Because quadrilateral has exactly one pair of parallel sides, it's a trapezoid. This would be our answer. In this next problem it says what if the coordinates of ST are 4, 5, and what type of quadrilateral is it? So I'm going to go back here and say S is 4, 5. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5. So our new figure, this is S at 4, 5. I'm going to go ahead and draw the new figure. And if you look at the new figure, we can see that RS is still parallel to OT because the lines haven't changed, but the slope of OR is undefined as it was before, and the slope of ST is also a vertical line, so it's undefined. Which means that OR is parallel to ST, and therefore it's a parallelogram. Because opposite sides are parallel. I'll just draw the lines. So again, going through this real quick, opposite sides are parallel, therefore it's a parallelogram. And it says, which of the interior angles of ORST are supplementary? Hopefully you can remember from the picture, but I'll go back one more time. Which angles are going to be supplementary? Well, these lines are parallel, so this angle R and this angle O should be supplementary, because that would make these consecutive interior angles, and then S and T should be supplementary as well. O and R, S and T, by the consecutive interior angle theorem. And we're done. Thanks.